Gulf Coast. Austal has halted trading because of its U.S.-based operation in Mobile. Facing a few setbacks building the state-of-the-art warships, the company is taking some time to look at the bottom line. What does that mean for operations in the port city? For more on this developing story, here's News 5's Alan Carter.
It's unclear what exactly it means long-term, but it's certainly not good news, as Austal USA's Australian parent company announcing they're suspending trading in the Australian stock market to, quote, review U.S. performance.
This may be more of an Australian financial situation than a real crisis at the shipyard, although, I mean, there is a problem with the LCS program.
Christopher Cavis wrote an article on it for Defense News and says an explanation may be found in the company's mid-year statements.
They're not getting the level of return on LCS yet that they were hoping for.
What he means by that is, as Austal just delivered their second LCS just last week, at this point they may have expected to be a more efficient, quicker operation. Not being so means it's a costly operation.
So the material in the ship cost whatever it costs. But if you're 8 months over schedule, then that's 8 months of work, and that's a lot of money that you're paying to people. The shipyard is not able to pass those charges on to the government. The shipyard has to pay it.
Austal is expected to make some sort of announcement when they resume trading next week. In the meantime, officials say everything will operate as normal here in Mobile, but Cavis says he really doesn't expect any sort of drastic move by Austal.
People make it sound like it's ending or something. It's far from it. The LCS program is really just getting into gear. They're going to build at least a total of 20 ships of that class, and each one of those ships they're going to get better at building. They've got a long way to go and a lot of opportunity to get a lot of this learning in there and a lot of it back, and then really start to cash in down the road.
And Congressman Bradley Byrne, who's been one of the strongest supporters of Austal and the LCS program, sent us a statement this evening saying our office is aware of the report regarding Austal USA's parent company. Our understanding is that this announcement will not have an impact on current or future operations at the Mobile shipyard. Reporting live in the newsroom, Alan Carter, News 5.